Welcome to Marigold Lesson, The Grasshopper and the Ant. In this session we shall read the prose and look at the meaning of new words.
Once there lived a lazy grasshopper. He didn't like to work. All day long he sang songs and played in the warm sunshine. Look at me. I'm as happy as can be. The grasshopper laughed at the hard-working ants as they worked day and night. We are storing grain for the long winter ahead, they replied. The lazy grasshopper only laughed louder. Summer ended and the cold winter arrived. The wind blew strong and it started snowing.
The grasshopper now began to worry. There is no food to eat, no grass, no flowers or leaves. I can't see even the tiniest fly or worm. What will I do? I will surely starve, he cried. Let me meet my kind neighbor, the ant. The grasshopper remembered how the hardworking ant had stored away grain for the winter. He knocked at her door. Dear ant, I am hungry and cold. I have nothing to eat. Please, can you give me some food?
The ant shook in anger. Lazy one! What were you doing all summer? You were only singing and dancing. You should have thought of the cold winter months ahead. Go away! She slammed her door shut. The lazy grasshopper was left as hungry as before.
So what is the moral of the story?
We should always work hard and save for the future.
Well said. Let's look at the meaning of new words. Hardworking means always putting a lot of effort and care into your work.
Example sentences are: He is a very hardworking student. Ants are always hardworking.
The word arrive means to reach a place, especially at the end of a journey.
Example sentences are: The teacher arrives to class on time every day. The train did not arrive on time.
The word starve means to become very weak because there is not enough food to eat.
Example sentences are: Many poor in the world starve without food. Last year, my dog starved with hunger, as I had to stay away for one full day.
The word slammed is past tense of slam. It means to move against a hard surface with force and usually with a loud noise.
Example sentences are: He slammed the door while leaving. He slammed the ball into the basket.
Having understood the new words, let's look at the questions from the textbook. How did the grasshopper spend his days?
The grasshopper spent his days singing and playing.
Did the grasshopper find food in winter?
No, the grasshopper did not find food in winter.
What did the ant tell the grasshopper when he asked for food?
The ant shook in anger and scolded the grasshopper for being lazy all the summer and not doing any work.
Excellent. You both answered well. With this we have come to the end of session, lesson, Strange Talk.